there will be a very tight scrutiny. At the same time, there's a feeling that there will be always be support, that we can pick up the phone, call, and people will be here to help. And at the same time, there's also a feeling that everything that we have written, we better make sure that we deliver it.
सर ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है कि अब मुझे इंडस्ट्री चलाते चलाते लगभग 25 साल होते आ रहे हैं। सर नहीं सोचा था कि इस तरह से भी पॉसिबल है कि सरकार हमें टेक्नोलॉजी भी देगी, पैसा भी देगी, पूरा सपोर्ट भी देगी, और मतलब ऐसा कभी होता ही नहीं है। मतलब ये सिर्फ ये मुझे तो लगता है कि ये ऐसा तभी पॉसिबल है जो माँ बाप से जो मिलता है वो बिना कोई आशा अपेक्षा के उस तरह से चीज़ दी जा रही है। और अब मेरे पे जिम्मेदारी है कि मैं इसको वो जो भरोसा मुझ पे किया गया मैं उसको डिलीवर कर सकूँ।
सर तो सबसे बड़ा तो एक्सपीरियंस ये रहा कि हम गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ काम करेंगे प्राइवेट, क्योंकि इतना फास्ट कभी गवर्नमेंट में काम होता नहीं है। तो वो सबसे अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा। और जैसे ही साहब ने कहा कि अभी पैसा मिलने के बाद जिम्मेदारी बढ़ जाती है, तो उसको डिलीवर करना।
Good. Yes, we are also looking for a success story.
Yeah.
Yes,
Sir.
thank you very much to everybody, and there is a nice cooperation and great help from this. When we are applied for this, we never thought it would be so nice, and the people they taken our all responsibilities. Everybody has supported, and with that support, our nervousness, applications and presentations to our technology, to the things as very nice. It has given a good thrust to everybody, and to me as well as to the company, to the people. And in addition to that, it is responsibility fixed on us. So with such good environment, and government has given the support, which already people have told, and it has never thought before. And after coming here, I think Make in India processes and self-sustainability in the mineral explorations as well as mineral contribution to the country, wealth and mineral resources, everything will be a great initiative for our future industries as well as India. Thank you very much.
Please have a light.
Yes. So for me, this process is like appears very smooth. Why? Because see, earlier I have from academic background, so I used to apply some academic projects to DST, UGC. So there I saw the process some little bit complicated and time-consuming process. So when I came to industry and I am approaching for industry, there's some granting applications. So this process is completely smooth. Even we apply with the review also done immediately, then the screening also done immediately. Even whatever the recommendations from the screening apex committee, if something okay, some remarks is there, so you modify this accordingly. So the process is very smooth. So we are very happy with that. Even the Minister of Mines also encouraged very lot. So we are very happy with that. So I'm very thankful to the Minister of Mines.
As he told, process was quite smooth. Like in one touch, we used to get all solutions. We want to talk to someone, we want to know how to fill the procedure of any doubt, get it done. Even during the procedure, that what has to be verified, doing the recommendations, how to go in. So everything was done very smooth. So it was quite very, we can say, we get everything in one touch. So that's nice.
According to my experience, this process, if I compare Ministry of Mines to other ministries, this process is very transparent, very smooth, and I am finding it very easy. So I have applied various projects in different ministries, but they are not giving us feedback why the proposal has been rejected, any comments. But in this Ministry of Mines, whatever we have applied, sir, from scrutiny to selection, presentation, everything, every comments they are giving us. Why selected, why not selected. So that I am finding okay. And I am also suggesting other ministries should follow this type of models. Thank you.
The technical insights from the technology team
was more enlightening for us, because we come from a background where industry people say this is what the immediate requirement was. But on a technology side, the institute has a legacy of working on this technology for more than a couple of decades into it. So that insights will help us in a more AI automation of it, or the digital transformation vision of the country is completing into the ministry side, where we believe it is highly motivating for a startup for us like us, because I'm a scientist and entrepreneur. So the insights on the industrial requirement for new innovation is exciting to us. So apart from the application process, because application process is tremendous, because it's the support from the JNS team was always there for us anytime they required help. But the technical insights, where it is continuously supporting us for each and every small aspect, connecting us to the industry, to the right people, giving us some technical feedback on the current process, how we are going, is what is highly encouraging for me. Thank you, sir.
For me, the process was very smooth and was very fast. JNRDC team was always in touch with us. Any queries were answered very quickly, and the process as a whole was excellent. So I am very honored to be part of this project, and I thank the director, sir, and the entire team for this very smooth and efficient process.
I'll just finish with one line. This all happened due to motivation and push of our secretary, Mr. V.L. Kanta Rao. He's very passionate about science and technology. बोलते हैं ना गति शक्ति, तो गति भी उन्होंने दिया और इस प्रोग्राम को शक्ति भी उन्होंने दिया. It's all because of it. So thank you very much.